Step 1. Install the rail and support platform. This is the support plate. Use screws of any length specification to secure the support plate. Use the corresponding screws to mount the camera onto the mounting plate. Insert the support plate directly into the holes of the platform. Use the matching screws to fix the camera to the support plate. Attach the projector support plate and mount the projector on it. Adjust the position to align the light path. Fix the calibration board onto the ball head with boot tack. Installation completed. After calibration, the board can be replaced with the platform. Note the DMD highly sensitive to static electricity. Connect all cables, the hub board, camera, and projector first, then connect to the computer and power on. Connect the hub to the projector and link the trigger cable between the camera and projector. Then connect to the PC and power on. Power on the device. Manual focus adjustment demo. Angle adjustment. Keep the calibration board side by from the camera. The marked spot ensures full projector view.